Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about ways to create the online courses with AI. Number one. Let's discuss this topic. My number one point. Coursebox. Coursebox is a AI tool. You can create any kind of courses from here. AI helps to create a designs of the design for the courses, and you can structure an initial prompt for the course content, including the quiz and easy for generated views. So then you coursebox provide the branded certificates, and it is easy to set up for automatic to be issues to be get anyone for reporting for that. So coursebox is a great tool for all of us for organization to selling the courses as well as training and managers also. So you can enroll these courses or you can create the courses also. So I will go to this Google Chrome over here. Then I will type here course box. Then I will enter it. Then you see here, after that, I will click on this website and this website get open over here. You see here. Then you should click on start on free or have to fill up the form like email address, password, then first name, and then you should fill up the last name also. Here you dashboard get open like this. Okay. Then here you see a step one process. In step one, you should describe your courses, what kind of course you are want to describe it. So you should have to describe this kind of courses. Then my step two is you will see here, you will have to upload a text file of PDF over here. So which kind of course you are designing, you should have to pick that PDF file and you have to upload that PDF file to the course box. We will tell that what kind of student shall have to learn for this kind of course. After that, you have to tell for that particular AI tool which kind of students you should have to learn from this kind of course. So this is it is a third way for doing it. After that, your course will get generated using AI basis. So number second is point Teachable. Teachable is your Go platforms and looking for doing the high earnings for the creating and selling of courses and coaching and digital products and so the memberships and for the marketplace. So whether you can start for that your business will get set up for you can do it also. So here you see the Teachable is a platform that you can sell your course to the your Teachable also, and you can also host to selling this kind of product to digital way. So I will go to the Google Chrome. You see here. Then I will type here Teachable. After that, after that the website get open over here. Then you can go to creator login over here and then you type your mail ID and password. If you not the create an account, then you should have to create an account first. You can sign up over here. Then you see that the form get open over here. Then you can fill the forms with your mail ID and passwords. And you can check the terms and conditions also. Okay. Then you can create the account. Okay. Then I will go back over here and I will go login and I'm already created the account. So I will go with my mail ID and password. I will type my mail ID and password. After that, you should create a new school and you should type your school name and what you want. So my school name only with my name only. Then I will click on my school. After that, you see a school will get ready over here. Then after you should click on start and create your courses over here. So I will click on start building. After that you should type your course name. I will type my course name is graphic designing. Then I will give my descriptions about Adobe InDesigning, Adobe Corel, Photoshop, then Canva, Lightroom. These I will give the description over here. Then after that you should upload the thumbnail or image over here and right now I don't have any kind of image, so I will skip that. I will upload that later also. So I will then so here you see here you have a set the prices of one time purchase or payment plans or any kind of subscription plans, so you can free for that now, and I will click. I don't have to yet. Okay, so like that you can click from start to from scratch also. Then you can upload this finish after and add your content and publish it also. So my next point is Udemy. Udemy is an education technological company. It was founded in 2010. Then it is as of June 2024, the platform claimed the over 73 millions of learners and billions of the courses. So that the 250,000 of courses to be launched in this Udemy. You see over here. So students get the certification of Udemy also. So I will go to, so I want you to learn the online course Udemy. Then I will go to the Google Chrome over here. Then I will type here Udemy. Then I will enter it. Then you see here your website get open like this. You see here you can search over here AI course. Then you get the result search like this. Okay. So here you get filter options are show over here. You see here the filter options are show over here. Then I want to choose the Hindi language. Okay, I will choose this Hindi language over. You see here you will get the Hindi language. Then here you so I want to increase my watch hour is 17 plus watch hour. So I will click on watch hour 17 plus watch hour, and like that you get the online course with AI. So if you upload the course, if you want to upload your course, so you have to first register over here, and then you should have to sign up. Then you should have to sign in over here. Okay, and then here it will become an instructor. So you have to click on instructor option over here, and then you can sell your courses to the online to the Udemy also. So like that you can do the online courses using that AI also. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.